The World Wide Web Consortium explains padding provides space between the content and the border. When looking at the picture frame example, padding is the white space that surrounds the picture, between the outer edges of the picture and the inner edges of the picture frame. In relation to the box model, padding is the space between the content edge and the padding edge. By setting padding to 0, this space does not exist and therefore the element contains no padding. A CSS padding declaration can be written in a few different ways. Each side of an element can have its padding set independently by specifying which side padding will apply to as the property. For example, we can set a padding value for only the top of an element by using padding-top. We can also use padding-bottom, padding-right, and padding-left to apply padding to all sides of an element. We can also set each side of an element's padding with one declaration. Using the padding property, we can use 4 different values, each separated by a space, to set padding for all 4 sides. The order we set these in is top, right, bottom, left. This can be a little tricky to remember at first, but just keep in mind you're setting them in a clockwise order starting at the top. If the top and bottom padding are going to be the same, and the left and right padding are going to be the same as well, we can use this syntax to apply padding. The first value will represent the padding for the top and bottom, and the second value will represent the padding for the left and right. If the top and bottom padding are going to be different, but the left and the right padding are going to be the same, we can use this syntax. The first value will represent the padding for the top, and the second value will represent the padding for the left and right, and the third and final value will represent the padding for the bottom. Lastly, if the padding is going to be set to be the same on all sides, we only need to use one value with the padding property.